What's on the menu? Slow cooker bang bang chicken. We'll be using 2 to 3 pounds of chicken drumsticks. I'll probably be doing a little over half of this package. 2 teaspoons sriracha, 1 cup mayonnaise, 1 cup sweet chili sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 bunch of green onions for serving. So let's begin. Put your drumsticks in the slow cooker. So take a medium-sized bowl, dump in your sweet chili sauce, and that was a cup, and a cup of mayonnaise. Add your 2 teaspoons of sriracha, teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and then stir until thoroughly mixed. Pour in half of this into another bowl. And put that in the refrigerator until we're ready to serve. Then take the rest of the sauce and pour it all over the chicken. And kind of spread it so the chicken gets covered. Put your lid on it. And as you can see, I'm using a crock pot liner. Turn it on low and let it cook for 6 hours. Or if you want it on high, cook it for 3.5 to 4 hours. And we'll see you then. So the chicken is almost done in the crock pot. As soon as it's done, we'll throw it in the oven and broil it for 5 minutes. So I have the broiler on low preheating. So we have a baking sheet with the wire rack on it. If you have a wire rack, put your chicken on that. If you don't, just put them directly on the baking sheet. I don't know if they'll all fit or not. My broiler's been preheating for about 10 minutes. If I would have cooked them much longer, they would have totally fallen apart. Put in your chicken in the oven under broil for 5 minutes or until it gets brown. So keep an eye on it so they don't burn. I was just getting ready to remove my bag from my crock pot, and I decided I wanted to show everyone what the inside of my crock pot looks like as soon as I remove the bag. And then you'll see how much cleanup I actually have to have. All I do is just wipe it out. So we have our slow cooker bang bang chicken. We're going to garnish it with some green onions. And we also put on the hot bang bang sauce on the rice and over the chicken. And if you'd like, you could use the cold bang bang chicken that we put in the refrigerator earlier to dip your chicken in if you would like. So I'll go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
It's really tender. Tastes pretty good. I was kind of expecting it to be spicier unless it kicks in a minute. That's pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.